What's up, everybody? This is Boy Carolina, and I'm up here trying to fix the motherboard of my PlayStation. As you can see, look, it's the corrosion and stuff. I'm gonna have to try to clean that out with some alcohol, get that working. The heat sinks. See, I'm gonna do all that. It was dusty. Then on this side, you see that right there? That's where the Arctic Silver 5 goes. That keeps it from overheating. So I'm gonna have to, put some on that. And let's see. That's what this is. Arctic Silver 5. That's what that does. It keeps it from overheating. So I'm gonna try to get to it and see all my tools and stuff. So I'm gonna try to get to it, and I'm gonna try to go back to work, and I'll let you know how everything is. So wish me luck. I know what's wrong with it, so I'm gonna fix and do what I gotta do. So Boy Carolina out.